Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and have you ever wanted to put your Nvidia video card into a performance mode so it's maxed out all of the time, no matter what you are doing? Not in a power savings mode, but in a high performance mode all the time, and you don't have to use any overclocking software? Well, this is how you do it. First, right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel, or just open the NVIDIA Control Panel, which you can easily do by typing NVIDIA Control Panel in the Windows search box. In the Control Panel, navigate to Manage 3D Settings on the left side. Now on the right side, under the Global Settings tab, find the Power Management Mode option. Change it from adaptive to prefer maximum performance. This adjustment ensures that your NVIDIA graphics card operates at its highest performance levels at all times, which can be beneficial for gaming, graphic intensive applications, and other demanding tasks. Click Apply to save the settings, and you're all set for consistent peak performance from your NVIDIA graphics card. Please keep in mind that this mode will use maximum power, so this is not an energy savings mode. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, consider becoming a Patreon. And by the way, thank you for those who are Patreons. I really do appreciate it. And consider purchasing. And unfortunately, the motherboard tray is not removable t-shirt. And I will see you in the next one.